Let's get this show on the road, shall we? Well, hey, happy Easter, everybody. I'm going to give you a little plaid overload here between my shirt and the blanket on the chair here, but you'll get lots of color today. I'm just relaxing. It's Sunday, getting ready for Easter dinner. The kiddos are going to come over and grandkids, and so I got to stay clean because I would like to get back to welding on the Crackerbox. But I was just looking in here. I didn't realize, I've seen pictures of international transport back in the day of all the cool double sleeper Pete's and KW's and just all the decked out nice trucks that they used. And wouldn't you know it, lo and behold, I find a picture in this semi trucks of the 1970s book that I recently got that shows, I know you're going to find this hard to believe that I'm impressed with this, it shows a cracker box. I'm like, seriously? International transport even used cracker boxes? Yes! That's awesome. So anyways, we got the fuel system wrapped up on a cracker box the other day. Took it out for a drive to try to get used to that Spicer Eatin' tranny deal because I got that working. I got the 2-speed working. And working against us is the shifter, because the shifter, I don't know if somebody bent it that way or just over time, you know, that truck is 61 years old. Shifting down and everything, that shifter is down so that when you're down in first or reverse, you're banging your knuckles down on the doghouse, and it's just hard to lean over and shift that. So it gives a problem. So it's not a smooth shift deal right now. So first thing in the morning, I'm going to call my fabrication buddy, my welding buddy, and he already told me that he would heat that up, and we'll just kind of try to bend that shifter back and get a shorter throw on it. I'm going to have to put a shorter knob on it. I've got a long knob that somebody gave to me, killer green sparkle knob, but it just makes it so long, and with the added trouble of the way that's bent, I have to put a shorter shifter on it. So we're going to get that taken care of tomorrow so I can start driving it and get it smooth. But I'm just going to interject a few clips real quick so you can hear the Detroit screaming, because that's what I love. But we'll do a better ride-along video in the near future, but I just wanted you to hear the truck. So I'm just going to throw in a couple things right now so you can hear it. to the channel. It's Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. Beautiful day today. Cold, but the sun was out, so I was able to get the cracker box turned around, pulled it outside, opened the doors, and I got to do some work. Not some. I've got to get it finished. The toolbox mounting, which you can see here. I'm basically mocking it up and attaching it, welding it as I go. Back here is going to be the battery boxes, which, okay, there's one right there. So these are going to sit back here. Something like that. There'll be two battery boxes, one there, one here, and then they sit behind the mounts for the big toolbox. And the toolbox will be in front of it. So trying to get that all done. We did get the fuel system up and running yesterday, and I just wanted to get this tank black before I got it mounted. It's not done yet. I'm going to do the straps shiny black like the frame, and the tank will be satin black, but definitely did not want a aluminum looking, or even worse, a polished look for this. This is an old company truck, and that's the way I want it to look. And looky here, we've got some special weathered mud flaps to honor, shall we say, a very good friend of mine, and who is a great help to me, but he chooses to remain anonymous, so that's what we'll do. But I just figured out, well, I guess I just blew it, but he's just a good friend, and he's a huge help to me and support to me, and I appreciate him. And so I wanted to give him a little shout out here. So I made up a bogus company, GMC sales company, and just kind of as a shout out to him. And I like things to be unique. I don't want something that everybody else has. So anyways, the fuel system is all up and running yesterday. Took it out for a drive. Everything works good. We remounted the primary fuel filter right there, and we're going to put another one in front of it later. And let's see what else we got going. Of course, the battery will be moved once I get the fabbing done on the battery box toolbox mount. So that's kind of where we're at. So this is kind of a quick video this week, but hey, we're starting to wrap things up on this, and once I get this fabrication done, I will be able to concentrate once again on this bad boy. This is where it all started last fall. I got started on this, and then the Crackerbox came on scene, and I just had to have it. So so I cannot wait to get back to work on this bad boy. So anyways, that's where we're at this week. So if you like what you see, if you like all the old school trucking, definitely check out the videos on the channel. There's quite a few of them now, probably 60, 65, maybe 70, I don't know. I just started the channel last July, so it's grown really well. I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with all of you and all the people I've met, and this is a great hobby, this old school trucking. So if you like, subscribe, and of course like the videos. It really helps me out if you do that. YouTube goes advertising, you know, by how long you watch a video. And hey, everybody's got time constraints, so if you don't have time to finish a video, come back to it if you would, so that you do get to finish it. But in the meantime, we're right on the cusp of being able to travel and see some trucks as the guys get their trucks out of their garages, just like me. And pretty soon, you're going to see some great run-bys and ride-alongs like we were doing in the fall. So stick around town. We'll catch you on the flip-flop.